Hey everybody, today we're gonna use Chat GPT to create Google responsive search ads. Let's get started right away. So this is the Google interface. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this, and we're gonna create a new Google search campaign. By the way, the main goal of this search campaign will be driving sales to this copywriting course. This is the copywriting course that I'm going to try to drive sales, and we're going to use ChatGPT to write our copy. So we're going to create a new campaign, as you all know, and first and foremost you need to have your conversion action there. So when you're doing setting your campaign, Google algorithm will know what you want from it, right? So we usually go with create a campaign with a goals guidance, and then we're going to choose search. And here you go. We can see our conversion action here as a purchase. It is set up. If you haven't set your conversion action up, you won't see this. All right, we're gonna write copywriting course, and I will type search. Bam. All right. We're going to do web visits. By the way, you don't have to put your website in here. By the way, guys, this is not a Google tutorial, so I'm skipping pretty fast these sections. By the way, with the bidding, I will usually go with manual CPC because I want to have enough data, and then I will turn to a manual bidding option. So first time when we're starting, I will usually go with clicks right away, set a maximum. So by the way, this is going to be max conversion. Once we set our max conversion campaign up, we can change it to manual CPC. By the way, this is not manual CPC right now. This is automated max click campaign. What am I going to do? Let's say $3. I'm happy with it right now. I will change it later. I usually exclude those because on YouTube, for instance, it is a search platform as well. So you might appear on Google search too. YouTube search too. We don't want that. We only want to show up on Google ads. Let's say which countries we want to show up. Australia is good. Maybe we can do New Zealand as well. Let's add New Zealand too. Australia. Target. New Zealand. Bam. So this is by the way, guys and girls, this is like an online course, so I don't need to actually go this narrow. I can go all over the world, like United States, or so on and so forth. But I just want to test it with this simple, two countries, Australia and New Zealand. And this is, by the way, this is quite new. Use my content from landing page, domain, and so on and so forth. We don't want that. We just want to provide the assets ourselves. So what we're going to do here, we're going to come here. You can see the start date and end dates. And we're not gonna touch it. Ad schedule. If there are certain days that your customers are purchasing from you, and you know that exact information, go ahead and schedule for certain days. Let's say you can say, I want to promote this campaign on Thursdays only because I know my customers are online on Thursdays a lot, or so on and so forth, right? I don't have that data, so I will just go ahead and run it all the time. And so now I want to just focus on copywriting course keyword, and I will go exact match. So this is going to be really specific. The amount of traffic I will drive to this is going to be low because I'm just focusing on exact matches. Copywriting course. Bam. All right, so this is one exact match. We're going to do, let's say, copywriting course reviews and best copywriting course. And then I'm going to use a negative keyword list. Well, I'm going to put in free. So people who are looking for free courses are probably not my ideal customers. So I'm going to exclude that in a negative keyword. And let's get this URL. Let's go back, put it in. Bam. We're almost good to go, guys. I'm going to put one more keyword. Just stick with me for a little while. Copy. Let's do this. This is still gonna trigger, by the way, guys, with this latest updates with the phrase match, so on and so forth. These exact matches, they kind of act like phrase match. So exact match variant, you're gonna see a bunch of stuff that you didn't actually write. If copywriting course has a exact synonym, if that search term will probably trigger this keyword, right? So the exact matches are acting like a phrase match these days. So just be aware of that. So keep a close eye on your search terms that you pop off every week. I suggest you check it. Copywriting course. Let's do Jim's Digital. Let's not do Jim's Digital. I will put branded campaign on a different campaign. So this is good. This is just copywriting focus. All right. So the key part here, we're going to write the copy with Chat GPT. We're going to jump on Chat GPT in a second. But the key part here, we want to have these keywords exactly in our headlines. So that's the critical part. This is going to increase our quality score, which is going to enable us to pay less to rank even higher. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and the exact query I'm going to write is going to be really important. So I am writing Google search ads headlines. The character limit is 30. I want you to act like an experienced marketer and copywriter. I am selling a copywriting course for $97. Check my website for more details. So I will put the website link here as well, so he has the ability to crawl it. Now give me 10 headline ideas for Google search ads. Also make sure you include copywriting course keyword in the ads. Bam. So now this is going to give us transform your copywriting skills with our copywriting course. I'm not sure this is 30 characters, guys. Let's check. We have to warn the guy. Yeah, this is 57 characters. So we have to warn him right now. These are more than 30 characters. Make it shorter so they are 30 characters or less. Bam. So the prompts are extremely important here. We're gonna transform writing skills. I want to capitalize the headlines, which converts way better, guys. But the critical thing is, I first want to type in copywriting course here. This is really important. My friend actually conducted a test on this, and he only had a couple of headlines, like 3 or 4 headlines, and he tested. When I have the exact thing on the first headline, I have a higher CTR, and I'm not joking. He had like 60% CTRs on Google search ads, 60 to 80% CTRs, which is unheard of. The maximum, like, really powerful advertising sees is like 30% or something, right? 30, 40. Now you can have really high CTRs if you put the exact thing they're searching for in your keyword to your first headline and pin it there. You want to pin it. Best copy, boost copy skills. It doesn't make sense. Learn copywriting. Sal Pro is nice. I like this one. I'm gonna put that in. Not this one. I couldn't copy it. Now copied. Learn copywriting. Sal Pro. That's good. Master copy elevator. Go ahead with the not this one. Learn copy secrets is good. And there's a price point here too. So they won't have an issue with what we're selling. Become copywriting pro is good. That's a benefit. What they're gonna achieve at the end of the result. So by the way, let's say we can have the ability to, let's say, unlock power of words is good. And we have the ability to actually write in a skill set, like write in a way of a person. Let's say we can say drive sales copy techniques is good. drive sales copy techniques. I will show you one more prompt that is really powerful. You know Grant Cardone, right? It's like a social media influencer, but he's really all over the place in terms of his speaking, and he's really powerful with the words when he speaks, right? He's a more of a motivational guy. So we can write these headlines from Grant Cardone's month. So he's gonna speak like Grant Cardone. Imagine if you're not obsessed with copy. Okay, these are good. Look at this. You can copy, your copy can make or break your business. Are you willing to risk it? So he literally copies and analyzes his Grant Cardone's copywriting structure, what he speaks or what he has on his website, and he literally writes our copy from his mouth, which is crazy if you ask me. So these are of course pretty long, but these are going to be really good. Don't let bad copy hold you back. Let me show how to write it. This is really good. I want to take this and I want to use this in my description. So I'm gonna go back. Your copy can make or break your business. Are you willing to risk it? Is really good. If you're not obsessed with copy, so this is really good. Look at how powerful these are. Just one prompt can make a difference. So if I were to not use the Grant Cardone prompts here, it will be a really basic copywriting, basic description. Buy my course and so on and so forth. But with the simple prompts, write headlines from Grant Cardone's mouth, or you can say Gary Vaynerchuk, it will be great as well. So if you're not obsessed, copywriting isn't just to get away from massive wealth, and this is really good. Guys, look at this. How powerful just writing those stuff up, right? So right now our descriptions are not unique. Deems is this way because we don't have copywriting course in it. Copywriting course, we can maybe say copywriting course doesn't just teach doesn't teach writing. It's your getaway. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see, we included copywriting course. The ad strength boosted up. But just to make it clear, guys, ad strength is not equivalent to your quality score on Google Ads. Quality score is impacted by what you have on your landing page, how fast it loads, how many times you have the keyword copywriting course here, and that's one of the secrets, and how many times you have it in your headlines. Look, of course, you don't want to have it in every single headline, but of course, you want to have in certain times that Google deems it as okay, that's relevant content, right? These are more than 30 characters. Make it shorter. So okay, now it's gonna make it shorter. Obsession fuels success. Millions from copy. Join me. So this is really good. This is really good. I want to take and put it here. By the way, the more headlines we write, the ad strength is gonna increase. So don't really bother about your ad strength. So this is just giving you the ability to put more text on it. So as you can see, we didn't include copywriting course reviews and best copywriting course. That's why we're not going to be able to have a high quality score if people search for these, right? That's why we're going to include those keywords as well. The best copywriting course. So Google likes it. Google likes us to, have the exact things in their headlines. So how can we? This is the trick part. Copywriting course reviews. We need to use this, and it has to be under 30 characters. Now we can only use additional 4 characters. How can we do it? So this is going to be a tricky one. Copywriting course. Copywriting course reviews. So maybe we can put a number. How many reviews we got, right? Let's check how many reviews we got. Let's reload this bad boy. Okay, 1087. 1008K, let's say. Nah, this is too much. Let's say copywriting course reviews. That's a tricky one, guys. That's a tricky one. So I'm gonna take the reviews part out because it's too long and it's making my quality score go down. That's why I'm not gonna, copywriting course reviews doesn't really make sense. That's why I took it out. Now everything is now way more perfect, right? So let's get a couple of more. Copy converts, learn how. This is really good. Copy converts, learn how. Perfect. Let's put one more. Copy makes or break business, explode sales secrets. This is really good. I like this type of copy. It's persuasive. That's why I like Chat GPT so much. It really saves you a lot of time. If you're working in an agency, that is gonna save you a ton of time, because you cannot sit down like a copywriter and think about like every time you write. Tap into persuasion's power. That's good. So if I were to sit down and think about every single like headline that I was gonna write, there's no way you're gonna have enough time to optimize those campaigns. So that's why when you're writing copy for clients, 100% use 100% use Chat GPT. Sorry, I'm cutting off, so I'm just trying to make this as fast as possible. Sorry for the breaks. By the way, if you're in digital marketer or enjoy digital marketing, definitely subscribe. How we can write it. Extra breaks business. Let's put 87% off. I think that was the discount we had. Start learning. Let's put one more headline. Copywriting course is pinned. Let's put one more. Unlock power of first. Did we use this? Yeah, we did. We did actually. Give me 10 more. Sure. Write your way to top. That's good. Write your way to the top. Bam. That's good. I'm happy with this. I'm not gonna bother and worry about this, why my headlines are not unique or whatever. Doesn't really matter that much, guys. So I'm gonna add some call outs though. This is gonna be a little bit important. Use this 100% satisfaction, money back guarantee, #1 in digital marketing. That's good. I'm happy with those call outs. And you can have site link extensions. By the way, site link extensions can be tricky. Why? Because you're actually, site link extensions increases your CTR, but keep that in mind. It is going to get people to click on other parts of your ad. So the site links have different links, URLs, that let's say a person clicks on a different site links, about us for instance, nobody's going to convert on your about us page, right? So keep that in mind. And we're going to click next. All right, so they're suggesting me, have this budget, but I'm not gonna listen to them. My budget is gonna be $9. So I'm aiming to get 3 clicks a day, but of course it depends on the volume of search that we get. So my maximum CPC is $3. Maximize clicks. Then I'm gonna change the maximize clicks. All right, here we go. So I'm clicking this settings. All right, now here, I'm changing this to manual CPC, and I'm turning off enhanced CPC because my ad account doesn't have enough data to actually work good with enhanced CPC. Enhanced CPC works like max conversions. It increases your conversions a little bit, but doesn't really go too far. Let's say your max CPC is $3. Enhanced conversions, if you apply that, will maybe go out like maybe a bid $4, $5. But maximum conversions, they might literally bid your entire budget in one day if they think it is gonna like really convert. That was it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. This is how you use Chat GPT, and these are some technical prompts that you can use to write good copy for your Google Ads. Take care.